Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. Happy New Year when it comes. Big up to my daughter on her Earth Strong. So today is Freedom Street concert. And for the first time in history, guys, I've never seen so much free tickets for a show given away. Oh my God. So we're calling it the Charity Freedom Street concert because people gave away hundreds of tickets. Anyways, stay tuned on Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. We'll be showing you highlights of the event as it goes on live. But first, let's take a look at Vybz Kartel's early performance.
Yo, yo.
Yes, so you see that Vybz Kartel hit the stage early and put on his show. What's interesting is that some people from Gaza channels were saying that, they're not gonna have vendors going to the concert like Alkaline had for New Rules. Well, here you go. You can see from people outside live right now. No vendors are out there. Nothing wrong with it. Big up all the vendors. I don't know what the fight's all about. But anyways, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We'll be dropping videos here and there throughout the night. So stay tuned. Bless up.